Under a busy roadway bridge, Nick Maselka makes an exciting discovery in the Assunpink Creek. The Cambarus acuminatus is a crayfish species of unknown origin.
This is the new crayfish. This is the acuminate crayfish. You can tell because he has that rostrum that doesn't have little spines on it. So it just comes up at a nice acuminate angle and just comes to a nice point here without the little shoulders that have little spikes that our Faxonia species would have. Cool. So we have acuminate crayfish all the way up the Assunpink.
Biologists aren't sure if it's a native species or an invasive placed in the stream by someone. Maselka first discovered the species in 2024, where the Assunpink Creek flows into the Delaware River in Trenton.
I immediately knew what it was, and I was just super hyped.
A similar species has been discovered across the river in Bucks County and in the Schuylkill River watershed.
Simply because the acuminate complex's range does come up to Maryland, Valley Forge, that area, that this could simply be an extension of the known acuminate range. On the other hand, the population is quite strong in Gold Run as opposed to the Assunpink and Buck Creek, where it was also found, indicating it may have been introduced to Gold Run and simply moved into these other water bodies. We need to continue surveying, continuing to check out the other watersheds to see if it is present or not, to determine if it is native or not native.
Maselka says recent genetic testing shows that the crayfish found in the Assunpink is a separate species. Maselka has made this discovery in a stretch of the Assunpink 8 miles upstream from where he found the first Cambarus acuminatus crayfish. It's an encouraging discovery.
This is excellent news. So this is great news. This also indicates that it might not just be a Gold Run population that's spread out. It's possible that maybe this is established throughout the entire watershed and the other watersheds in the region. Potentially even more into New Jersey if that gets properly surveyed. Oh, that is wonderful news.
There have been a number of efforts to improve water quality in this stream.
Cambarus species in general are an indicator of good water quality. Our native Cambarus, Cambarus bartoni, really likes stream heads, spring heads, where the highest water quality is. What we know of the acuminate crayfish, generally they inhabit the same habitat, so seeing these guys is an indicator of good water quality, especially compared to virile crayfish, rusty crayfish, our invasive species.
Species could still disappear from this waterway. Maselka says virile crayfish like this and other invasive species are a threat.
It is a highly invasive species that is found in both Mercer Lake and on the Delaware River. If that species moves in, it is larger than the acuminate crayfish. It is able to breed at a faster rate than the acuminate crayfish and is able to inhabit more areas in the stream.
There are other man-made threats.
In the Philadelphia and Trenton region have a large impact on our waterways. We are slowly making them more saltier. The conductivity is rising, and that could have an impact on this crayfish along with other general pollutants that are entering our waterways.